Hello everyone, welcome again to the God Manifesto. Today, God is saying to you, you have a soft heart and a pure soul. That's why you feel everything so deeply. Be clear on one thing. This is your superpower, not your weakness. The world needs more of you, so don't suppress who you are. It is not your job to heal every person you meet, but it's your job to make sure your kind nature remain intact throughout your journey. Stay close to those who genuinely appreciate you and stay far from those whose only goal is to take advantage of your energy. You are one of the rare gems the universe has blessed with heightened clairvoyance and divinity. Keep shining your light everywhere you go. Type yes if you agree, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.